The AI system that writes my weekly newsletter automatically. A weekly newsletter is one of the highest value content assets a creator or business owner can build. Unlike social media content that disappears into a feed within hours, a newsletter lands directly in the inbox of someone who explicitly asked to hear from you. The relationship is more personal. The attention is more focused. And the audience you build through a newsletter is one you own rather than one you rent from a platform that can change its algorithm tomorrow. The problem is the weekly deadline. Every week it arrives. And every week most newsletter creators face the same moment: the blank page, the empty ideas list, and the creeping guilt of knowing that another week of silence is eroding the trust they spent months building. AI makes publishing consistently sustainable rather than heroic. Today I am sharing the complete system that writes my weekly newsletter almost automatically, from content sourcing to final draft to scheduled send. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. Why newsletters fail? The consistency problem. Most newsletters that fail do not fail because the creator runs out of ideas. They fail because the production process is too effortful to sustain alongside everything else. Writing a newsletter from scratch every week requires 4 things that are in constant competition with each other: time, energy, ideas, and the motivation to sit down and produce even when none of the first 3 are abundantly available. Most newsletter creators treat every issue as a blank page problem. They start from nothing each week: no content bank, no running ideas list, no draft waiting to be finished. The result is either inconsistent publishing or a declining quality standard as exhaustion sets in. The AI newsletter system replaces the blank page with a structure. And structure is what makes consistency possible without burnout. The 3-layer system. The system has 3 layers: content sourcing, draft production, quality review. Each layer runs on a different rhythm. Content sourcing happens continuously, a small daily habit that takes 3 minutes and produces everything the newsletter will ever need. Draft production happens once per week, a focused 60-minute session that transforms the week's sourced content into a complete newsletter draft. Quality review happens in the 30 minutes before each send, a final pass that makes the draft genuinely yours. 3 layers. 3 rhythms. 1 consistent newsletter that never starts from a blank page. Layer 1, continuous content sourcing. The single biggest shift in the system is moving from weekly idea generation to continuous idea capture. Every day, spend 3 minutes with Claude reviewing whatever you read, watched, or thought about that day. Not a formal review. A brief capture. Give Claude a 1-sentence description of any idea, article, observation, or experience from the day that felt relevant to your newsletter topic. Claude stores nothing, so the capture goes into a simple running document. A Notion page, a notes file, whatever you already use. 1 line per item. Date it. Move on. By the end of a week you have 15 to 20 captured items. Most will not be used. Several will be exactly the raw material the newsletter needs. The content sourcing layer means the weekly writing session never starts from nothing. It starts from 15 to 20 seeds, any one of which can become the newsletter's core idea. Ask Claude every Monday morning to review the week's captured items and identify the 3 most interesting, most timely, or most relevant to your audience. This selection takes 2 minutes and produces a clear starting point before the writing session begins. Layer 2, the weekly draft session. The weekly draft session runs every Tuesday morning. 60 minutes. Same time each week. Open Claude with 3 inputs. The selected content seed from Monday's review. Your newsletter format, the consistent structure readers expect. And a brief note on what happened in your world that week that might connect to the chosen topic. Ask Claude to produce a complete first draft using your format and tone description. The more specific your brief, the more the draft sounds like you rather than generic AI output. A well-briefed Claude draft takes 8 to 12 minutes to produce. Spend the remaining 50 minutes reviewing, rewriting sections that do not sound like you, adding personal examples only you could provide, and sharpening the opening and closing lines. 60 minutes. Complete draft. No blank page moment required. Layer 3, the pre-send quality review. 30 minutes before each scheduled send, run the pre-send review. Give Claude the complete draft and ask it 3 questions. Does the opening line immediately give the reader a reason to keep reading, or does it start with context rather than value? Is there any section that could be cut without losing anything the reader would miss? And does the closing clearly tell the reader what to do or think next? Claude identifies the specific sections that need attention. You make the final decisions. The review is not about rewriting, it is about sharpening what already exists. Ask Claude to also write the subject line. Give it 5 variations, each one using a different approach. Curiosity, specificity, contrarianism, direct benefit, unexpected angle. Test different approaches across different issues and note which subject line styles produce the highest open rates for your specific audience. The subject line is the most important sentence in the newsletter. It determines whether the newsletter gets opened or archived unread. Claude writing 5 variations every week costs 2 minutes and consistently produces stronger subject lines than any single attempt would. What consistency actually produces the compounding effect of a consistently published newsletter is not visible in the first month. It becomes visible in the 3rd and 4th month, when readers begin mentioning it in conversations, when new subscribers arrive because someone forwarded an issue, and when the relationship with existing subscribers deepens from casual reading into genuine anticipation. A newsletter that publishes every week for a year, even imperfectly, builds something that sporadic high-quality issues never can. Familiarity, trust, expectation. The habit your reader builds of opening your email when it arrives. AI makes that consistency achievable without the burnout that kills most newsletters before the compounding has a chance to begin. What topic would your newsletter cover if the production process were no longer the obstacle? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this gave you a system for finally publishing consistently, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.